The 7200 with Sony A7IV is quite challenging to balance to the Ronin DJI RS4. So this is not the Pro, so this is the DJI RS4. So on today's vlog, guys, I'm challenging myself to balance, and we will try to balance the Sony A7IV with 7200 f2.8 G Master 2 again to the DJI RS4. But first, shout out to at RCG GR. Yan. So we'll try to balance now the Sony A7 IV with 7200 and DJI RS4. So first, I'm gonna remove this color from the 7200. I fixed already the plate from the camera, not from the lens, but from the camera. So guys, try now on the balancing mode, lock. Okay, need to lock, unlock this area. So it's very heavy on the lens side. Okay, gonna pull up. Okay, shut a little. But again, guys, the lens is too much heavy, and this is my last part from this area, so I cannot move again. So only one thing that we can do. Actually, guys, before I did this video, I try first to balance the camera with the lens and the stabilizer, but only one way that I can balance on this camera. Even I use already the vertical mount, not vertical, this Atom X, yeah, to make it vertical horizontal, but it didn't work, guys. So the best way to balance is to add more weights from the camera. See, it's more heavy from the lens side, and I cannot move anymore. So this is the last part that we can lock. So I have a ball head. If you have more heavy ball head, it's more better. It's more fine. So you can add a ball head or anything to put in your camera to make it more heavy than the lens, so it will balance. Yeah, just so I have a Manfrotto ball head here. It's more heavy. If you want more, if you have more heavy accessories from your bag that you can put in the camera, then it's way more better to use. So now I have not 100%, let's say 98% balance. So yeah, and there's only one problem, guys. It's hitting here. So if you are using in the briefcase mode, I don't think it's possible to use in briefcase mode, but in the normal mode, it's fine. So let's try to balance for this area. And okay, yeah. So okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So now I'll try to turn on. Okay. And okay, need to calibrate. I'll try to calibrate. If the icon of the camera is green, meaning it's balanced. But if red, you need to balance. Yeah. So done for the calibration, and it's showing green. I'm gonna show you. This is the green. Yan. So, guys, balance. The A7IV with the 7200 G Master Mark II. So, and guys, that's the only downside. You cannot make a briefcase mode. See, it will hit the ball head. So, but again, if you want for upside or normal mode, then it's fine. So, yan guys. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, shout out to at RCG, RCG JR or Junior. So, yan guys, if you want to check the price and availability of this product from Sony and DJI RS4, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So if you have any suggestion or question, just comment down below, guys. I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you and mabuhay.